guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're in Walmart seeing what's new, and if you like these videos, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new, and let's go shopping. Are these cap sleeve dresses from No Boundaries. So they have that sweetheart neckline, this little ruching, the cap sleeve fitted through the body. This is the extra large. It kind of flows out, and then it has the seam detailing in the back. In the brown floral, it's the purple, and these are going to be $10. Also new denim dresses from Celebrity Pink. These have that thin strap, this sweetheart neckline, the little cargo pockets, and then smocking in the back. And these are $17.50. PEPLUM tops from Free Assemblies have the elastic around the neckline. There is this ruche detailing. It's a balloon sleeve with the smocking, and then it's a relaxed fit with the little slits in the side and then a keyhole in the back. This one is going to be $20. High neck top we saw earlier also comes in this black and white polka dot, and it's also $20. So these new button down tops from Free Assembly. So it has that ruffled neckline, full button down, the flutter sleeve. This is the extra small, so it is more of a boxy fit, but still good length, with the seam detailing in the back. And the white PEPLUM also comes in this darker denim, and they are going to be $22. So that is this new puff sleeve tee from Free Assembly. It has that higher neckline. This is a PEPLUM material with the embroidering, the t-shirt material through the body. It's stretchy with good length in the green. Also comes in solid white, and they are going to be $14. New color in the crochet dress from Time and True. So these had the higher neckline. They're sleeveless, tears all the way down, the little keyhole in the back now, and this really pretty coral. Also comes in this new nude color. We saw it in black and olive, and they're $16.98. I think this one's online only. From Time and True, it has that higher neckline, the crochet flutter sleeve. It's a nice t-shirt material, like burnout style. Has the pockets, and then that seam fit through the back. This is the extra small, so it is more of a relaxed fit. And these are, like I said, online only, so it'll be down below. So the first thing I'm seeing are these sneak peek dresses. They have the thin strap, full button down. They are functioning buttons. Has that seam detail, the drop tier, and then smocking in the back. In the black, also comes in the rust, and they're $17.98. These PEPLUM tops from No Boundaries. So these have the thin strap, the sweetheart neckline, that seam detailing under the bust. It's flowy, it is lined, and then squared in the back. They do have the panning. They're not removable unless you cut them, but it comes in the black, also in the green, and they're $9.98. Also new from No Boundaries are these lace dresses. So they have the squared neckline. It's a midi length. You can see it has a handkerchief bottom. Lace trim detail under the bust. Squared in the back. In the pink also comes in olive, and they're $17.98. Graphic baby tees from No Boundaries. These have that crew neckline, cap sleeve. Know Your Power with the dragon. They also have the pink angel. There's the gray with the moon. There's a wolf, it looks like. Butterfly. And then how cute is the brown? Love is in the air. And these are $6.98. High neck tops from Sofia Vergara. So these are a double kind of stretchy material. They're sleeveless. Fitted through the body. Really good length to the front and the back. Comes in the black. Also in white. And they're going to be $10. We also added these lace tops to the website. So they have the thicker strap, scoop neckline, lace up through the front, scoops in the back. They also come in black, and they're $9.98. Good dot dress from Free Assembly. This one has that elastic around the neckline. It's stretchy, and then the smock sleeve. The material is a PEPLUM. It's flowy with the drop tier, and then the keyhole in the back. And these are going to be $28. Also seeing new oversized tees from No Boundaries. So these have that crew neckline, relaxed fit with the skull. Then they also have this motorcycles. There's a purple with the rose, and then a pink butterfly. And they are $10.98. New pleated skirt from No Boundaries. So this has the double button. It's a twill material. It is a true skirt. Pleating on the front, no pleating on the back. And these are $11.98. Other bombers from No Boundaries. So they have the ribbed neckline. It's lined on the inside, drop sleeve, ribbed wrist, ribbed bottom with the pockets. Nice lightweight, kind of buttery faux leather material. And they are $24.98. New rib tanks from No Boundaries. These have the thin strap, that V neckline, the lace trim with the squared back. In the burgundy, also comes in white, black, and purple, and they're $5.98. Off the shoulder tops from Sofia Vergara. So these have the elastic with the tier, long sleeve with the elastic wrist, elastic through the waist. We saw this one last week, so this one's a little different. And it says 2 ways to wear, and these are going to be $24. Also a new faux leather pant from Sofia Vergara. So these are the Eden 90 Street, and they're $27.50. New rompers from No Boundaries. So these have that elastic at the top, elastic at the waist, cargo pockets. In the green, also comes in black, and they're $13.98. New ribbed tanks from No Boundaries. These have that higher neckline. They're sleeveless, nice length. In the white, also in the blue, there's black and beige, and they're $5. It's a really cute graphic. So these are crew neckline. They have Monopoly. Strawberry Shortcake is new. They also have Bluey. There's Deadpool, Mickey, and they're $8.98. They have lots of wound up tees. So these have that crew neckline. Sometimes these aren't available online. They're $5.48. So they have this brown, that black one, white. I love the pink. I remember when all the online boutiques had these for $20 and $30. These are only $5.48. They also have that tie-dye. They also have these new fleece sweatshirts. These have an elastic waistband, side pocket, in the plum, beige, and black, and they're $6.98. Also new high neck tees from No Boundaries. So these are super soft and stretchy. They are a little shorter through the front and the back, but not really cropped. In the black, white, the olive, and beige, and they're $5. They also have these new oversized fleece jackets from No Boundaries. So these have that soft fleece, drop sleeve, ribbed wrist with the kangaroo pocket, hood in the back, only seeing black, and they're $15.98. All new tees from No Boundaries. These have that scoop neckline. They're fitted through the body in the pink, white, navy, olive, gray, black, red, brown, teal, and they're $5. Also new cargo pants from No Boundaries. So these have the elastic waistband, toggle, true jogger bottom with the flat pockets in the back. In the brown, also comes in the black, and they are $13.98. Cardigans from Celebrity Pink. So these have that scoop neckline, the ivory cut the same colored buttons. It's fitted through the wrist, shorter through the front. This is the 3XL. There's the extra small. This is more of an ivory off-white. These are $15.50. Have these new puff sleeve sweaters. So these have that square neckline, the little shoulder detail. It's ribbed at the bottom, fitted through the front and the back. In the pink, also comes in white, and they are $13.50. New puffer vest. This is mock neck, has the side pockets with the toggle, same fit through the back, and they are $12.98. It looks like some new fall stuff. So they have these new zip-up fleece jackets. They're soft on the inside. The ribbed wrist, cropped front, in the black, also in the lime. And they are $12.98. And then they also have, also new from Celebrity Pink, are these parachute wide leg pants. So these have the heart button, drawstring at the waist, side pocket with the flat pocket. You could do jogger or straight leg or wide leg. And then they have the pockets in the back. In the green with the gold hardware. And then they also have this camel color with the silver. And they're $21.50. Also new from Celebrity Pink are these wide leg cargo pants. So these are a high rise. They have the pork chop pocket, the zippered pocket through the leg, and then pockets on the back. In the green, I love the little heart buttons. And then they also have the light denim. And those are $19.50. No graphic tees from Time and True. They have a crew neckline. Tom Petty's now with the tour dates. They also have this Beatles with the rhinestones. No, nothing on the back. Rolling Stones in this brown tie-dye. And then there's a new Def Leppard. And they're $9.98. A Rolling Stone in this rhinestone for 4th of July. They also have this new style of graphic tee. These are crew neckline. It's like a vintage wash. Yosemite. There's Nashville. And Grand Canyon. And they're also $9.98. Overalls from No Boundaries. These have the adjustable strap, the one big pocket. It's a nice lighter weight material with the 2 side buttons. Straight through the leg. And then there's also pockets in the back. And they're going to be $19.98. Also from Scoop is this Dolman polo sweater. So it's more of a boxy fit. It has the ribbed collar, that seam fit through the back. And those are $24. How cute is this new graphic Barbie tee? It has that crew neckline, oversized fit in the green and pink. And these are $10.98. And then they also have the new matching bike shorts. These are $9.98. Style leggings from Avia. So these are a high rise. They have the drawstring, this little holder with the zippered pocket on the side. Seam detailing through the front and then also through the back. And the taupe also comes in black. And then that purple is the flared. And these are $21.98. Windbreaker jackets from Avia. So these have that mock neck when it's zipped up all the way. It's a flowy material. Has that elastic wrist with the zippered pockets. Also has this toggled bottom. And then the hood in the back. The same detail. So perfect for summer. Very lightweight, but going to be good when it's raining. Comes in the beige, also in the black. And they are $19.98. And then to match, they have the shorts. These have an elastic waistband, side pockets, the same material, but they do have that lining on the inside. So that's what it looks like. In the black, and then also in the beige. And the shorts are $12.98. These new pajama sets, so they have that crew neckline. It's more of a baby tee with the sweat shorts. I love the little Beatles with the strawberries. They also have the Rolling Stones with the leopard shorts. There's Ford Bronco with the checkered shorts, and then Hello Kitty, and the 2 pieces are $14.98. Also new prints in the 2-piece pajama set. So these have that crew neck tee, the little graphic on this one, jogger bottom. Now in this black and teal print, they have this ones now with the leopard pants. It says Wild and Free. We saw this one before. 2 pieces are $11.98. Also have that banana with the monkey print that I loved in the tank shorts and then sleep shirt. So these are a crew neckline. They're stretchy. Same kind of fit through the back. $7.98 in gray. We saw the pink. We saw the coffee. And then it looks like they have another new one, Wonderlust. And then the purple beach scene. I'm also seeing new palm print in the Joy Spun sleep shirts. These have that thick strap, scoop neckline, longer length, $14.98. We saw them in that gray and pink, also the black and pink. And then they also have them in the pants and the shorts. Those stripes also look new. So these are a crop length. They're super soft and stretchy. Side pocket with the drawstring. In the navy stripe, also comes in that purple palm leaf. They're solid blue, the black and pink stars, and then the black and pink floral. And they are $12.98. The matching tees have that crew neckline. They're a soft, stretchy material. Super soft. They're like more boxy, but not cropped. And they also have the little slits on the side. These are $9.98. So there's also a teal and white print, black. They have a baby pink. That purple palm, the black and pink stars. Solid options in the purple and navy. And the shorts have that drawstring. They're nice and flowy in all of those same colors. And they are $9.98. And they have these new V-neck US Polo tees. So they have V-neck line, the little logo. This is the extra small. So it's a nice kind of relaxed fit. And they're $8. They have black in the V-neck, red in the crew neck. There's navy in the crew neck, and then white in the crew neck. Here they have that orange in the crew, the blue. So black in the V-neck. They have a purple in the V-neck, and then a green. Last section, they have these new high neck long lines. So these remind me a lot of Lululemon. They're really soft. Have that higher neckline. They're sleeveless. They have the built-in shelf bra with removable pads, and then it's racer back with the scoop. Comes in the mauve. They also have charcoal. There's white and black, and they're $17.98. For $13.98, they have the thinner strap option. So these are a little shorter. They also have that built-in shelf bra. Squared in the back in the brown, gray, white, and black. It looks like the white's on sale for $11.98. AVIA has these seamless sports bras. They have the thicker strap, that V neckline, this ribbed bottom, removable pads, and racer back. In the teal, white, there's the charcoal and black, and they're $10.98. New Mary Janes from No Boundaries. So these have that rounded toe. It's a T-strap with the little cutout, chunkier bottom, and these are going to be $19.98. So new ballet flats in the leopard from Time and Tru. These have that squared toe, the little bow detail. They are flat, and they're $12.98. Box slide sandals. So these have a memory foam bottom, the cushion slide, in this new purple color. I think these are the women's. And then for men, they have the black and the gray, and they're $18. From AVIA. These kind of remind me of like the hookahs. So they have that round toe, the arch support, lace up in this blue, and they're going to be $22.98. Also new from AVIA, these are genuine leather. They have that round toe with the silver lace up with the mesh. That's what the bottoms look like, and they're $19.98. I think this was the older color with the black and pink. And then also new from AVIA are these mesh sneakers. So they have the little cutout, the round toe in the gray, and they're $22.98. These look a little different, the canvas sneakers. So they have a round toe. This seam detailing wasn't there. The rubbered bottom, they're $12.98. They also come in wide width. High top sneakers. These are Beetlejuice. It's Showtime with the round toe, lace up, and they're $28. In the video, thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.